What's up, guys? Your boy is in the youth.
Okay, Zano.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today we are reacting to VOLTZ JT.
Majiz Murikwere.
KUTIDZORERA MASHURE, right?
1 2 1 2.
So it's one of the songs in the album, upcoming album, right? Yeah, this is what I'm
I'm getting out of that space.
Yeah. Last time was what she. It's okay. The name of the song.
Name of the song.
Oh shit, I forgot. But yeah, I think it's also in the album. I'm not sure.
I got to drop my single. But this even I think my China kids.
Yeah, so this one is what. So the name of the album is what? NOP Makoni. Alright. So we can't wait for the album, so let's just get straight into the song. Things what you Ngomana Rutichi, because the Mabaza Giga Nguzia Sutika. I know Anwanzo Yembas no answer to it.
1 2 1
training playing. Majiz, Murikwere Majiz. Comment down below and origi. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video, guys. I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel.
Yes, sir.
You know the vibes, yes, sir. So let's get straight into it.
My name is Mr. Sibia, and I'll be with you today. Saka relax and feel comfortable. So, what's up? 1 2 1 2. NOP. Tichiverenga mablessings kwetondiverengera mhosva dzandinadzo kwetondiwedzerera nhamo dzandinadzo kwetondidururira hasha dzaunadzo zvakutange ndiri munhu asingagoni waikosi pacho pandogona uchaoni zvakutange uri munhu asingapori zvakutange uri munhu asingatadzi but tese toziya usi perfect tese tiri nani small issue wakutangidza mawani wakati wangandiregerera wani unoziya wani hapana ari perfect tese tiri nani ingawani ndokukavhira mawani nguva zhinji chokutasa kufara kutarisa tunyaya tokutara ingochidzorera mashure dzorera mashure neuchidzorera mashure dzorera mashure.
So basically I'm trying to a marriage situation, right? And they're arguing. The couple's arguing about 20 something small.
Exactly, yeah.
But you're not counting a blessing, something like that, eh? All right. But I get where he's coming from. Just even from not even the song, but the video perspective.
Because
him being a therapist, his songs are like, you know. My songs are VOLTZ.
Yeah, I know.
They're those I don't think she got my song. This type.
And then any message.
Yes, is it my inspirational speakers? I don't know. Something like that. I feel like Nosagaga so cool up na ananzani. Slick Past.
Oh, Slick Past.
By album Bagga.
Okay.
That's what Slick Past is about. My inspirational, talks and all that. And those made of VOLTZ. Why so DB sama song because VOLTZ speaks from he's trying to relate to everyone,
like, especially in this situation these days, like, obviously my marriage is on
yeah, anyone on a good, I guess. Simple as that. Simple as that. But it's okay.
But even if you do that, my situation it's now, but small things are so everyone is not perfect, yes. 100% perfect, but yeah.
Dzorera mashure, dzorera mashure, neuchidzorera mashure, dzorera mashure. Daizvaibvira taidzokera madays ekutanga wawaiti ukandifunga waifara izvezvi ndakufunga ndokumara cause everyday unongofunga nyaya dzandopara wadii kumbofunga pandozama wadii kumbotarisa makore atafamba tiri tese ta vanhu veukama padii kumbotarisa kuti newe hausi perfect newe uri nani small issue wakutangidza mawani waiti wakandiregerera wani noziya wani hapana ari perfect.
And also
That's deep.
he's speaking from the therapist point of view. Then of us switched the storyline. He was talking on one side. Now he's talking about the other side of it. But you, JJ, do you see what's going on? Do you recognize what's wrong in the situation? Do you uona wrongs hawe? Because kana usutu maona kapapa.
Yeah, that's of which penny patterns, you know, me missing the back old days, like, you know that in the first days in the marriage, like, you know, you can go time of fives calling each other, then later on so some good talk and stuff. But yeah, hey, I had to pinda.
Tisitiri nani ingawanda ukavira mawani nguva zhinji chokutasa kufara kutarisa tunyaya tokutana ingochidzorera mashure dzorera mashure neuchidzorera mashure dzorera mashure neuchidzorera mashure dzorera mashure neuchidzorera mashure dzorera mashure kozapana ari perfect tisitiri nani small issue wakutangidza mawani wakati wakandiregerera wani noziya wani hapana ari perfect tisitiri nani ingawanda ukavhira mawani nguva zhinji chokutasa kufara kutarisa tunyaya tokudhara nengochidzorera mashure dzorera mashure.
But there's unity, I guess, even in relationships, you know. You can forgive something about what they did, but then if you don't fully forgive, of which it's really hard to fully forgive someone.
Yeah, like especially if you find your partner cheating, is it
fully forgiving partner. It's about KUTIDZORERA MASHURE. Like, we had moved on from a certain thing or fighting together, but now you keep bringing that same thing back. I feel like kana zvatokuremera chitosiyana inazvo
move on, or
rather than be in a relation but constantly remind that person but you messed up this one time. Mental health again nebasa kufutika.
Yeah, because pani skill yekuti you can forgive that person here, then later on uveze umunzi but wakapa meno
takada uzogara unonyatsoda vanongoti fuck that ndakusiyana neanonetsa nongotra washingirira but amen zvakwamuri
because what if try ushingira bva avhura futi wombeki.
I don't know
forgive her for the same thing.
Thing is haungaudzire vanhu tu
vanopedzerana
vanonga vachiziyana.
It is what it is.
Neuchidzorera mashure dzorera mashure ingochidzorera mashure dzorera mashure neuchidzorera mashure dzorera mashure.
Which means album inonge iri todipisa futi.
Obvious. Totombozi NOP ndozo men NOP and it's what NOP makuni. You see. So I feel like 1-2 amino masonso chebudisa. Yeah. We can't wait.
Tamirira. Haini ndrungoti kana ichikunda yekutanga iyi.
Oh, that one.
Akavhura large.
even the features.
It's like this one you have to match, but
Yeah.
you have to match, but because the first one was tough. But yeah. I don't think about 1 2 1 2.
1 2 1 2. So yeah, I think that's it for the reaction video, guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe.
Yes, Zersky.
So